Imagine taking any screenshot and turning it into a clean, editable UI design in less than 5 minutes. No stress, no manual rebuilding. Let me show you how. So the first thing you're going to do is to bring your screenshot into Figma. So I'm going to go to File here and go to Place Image. Then I'm going to select the image from my computer. All right. So I'm going to place that over here. Okay, so let me just resize it. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open a plugin. All right, okay, so we are going to use the plugin called Codia. So you are just going to search for it. I have already installed it, so I'm going to run it over here. Okay, so as you can see, it is running. So what I'm going to do is that after it has run, I'm going to click on my screenshot. So this is my screenshot. I click on it. All right, so you can see, do you need to convert the selected Figma layer? So I'm going to click on confirm. All right, so I'm going to click on to Figma over here. So you see it's trying to do the conversion. Now it's trying to break everything into editable layers. This usually takes some few seconds to happen. So it is happening. Let's wait for it so we can see what is going on. Okay, as you can see, the editing is happening. It's trying to do the conversion. So as you can see, it is happening over here. The conversion is happening over here, or the transformation is happening over here. Let's wait for it as it builds everything. So you can see how efficient this is. It will help you in trying to design and make your design very fast in case you are behind schedule and you quickly need to use some screenshots to aid you in your designing. And I think this AI, it's very good. It's going to help we the designers try to do our work very fast. So let's wait for it as it does the transformation of the screenshot we just uploaded into Figma. All right, so one thing you have to also remember is that the AI is not always perfect. So after it has done with the transformation, you can do some cleanups by applying auto layout. You change fonts that you deem fit and not okay for you, and then the colors as well. So anything you want to do on the transformation, you can quickly do that. So the transformation has happened. So you can see this is the screenshot and this is the transformation. Okay, so as you can see over here, when I click on any layer here at all right, it is editable. So you can see when I click on CD word over here, I can be able to edit it. All right, so let me try and make this one a capital letter so you can see what is happening. It can be able to be edited very well. All right, so you can also apply auto layout to make everything to be very responsive. Why am I saying that? If I move this across, you realize that the whole thing is moving because auto layout hasn't been applied. So you can apply an auto layout and then you make everything to be very responsive. So let me just try and change the color of this to show you what I'm talking about. So if I change this, okay, let's change the color of this. All right, I'm trying to change this. Okay, so to this, you realize that it has changed, and then this as well. Let me also try and change that. Okay, so you realize that this has also changed, right? And then let me also try and change this. Okay, All right. So you realize that the colors have changed. So you can change the text, etc. Anything you want to do and apply an auto layout to make your UI look very nice. So yeah, so this is what you can do with AI. Well, and I think this is going to make our work very easy. All right. So this entire transformation took less than 5 minutes, from a plain screenshot to an editable clean UI design. If you have found this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next UI hack. Thank you very much. Bye.